Friends, we have just received live reaction of OnePlus on Apple's iPhone SE launch event. Alright, that reaction was a joke. Hello friends, this is Gurjandeep Singh Khera. You're watching Tech Explainer, and today we have got two experts, an Apple fanboy and an Android geek, who will be duking it out for the title of Best Phone Launched Recently. We have Apple's all-new iPhone SE 2020 in one corner, and we have the all-new OnePlus 8 in the other corner. Let's see the fight. Hello friends, I am the Apple fan. So the thing with the all-new iPhone SE 2020, although that's a mouthful of a name, but the best thing is you get an Apple device for $399. Okay, I admit the price in India is not that low. Yeah, I'm listening to you, okay? Yes, I realize as my OnePlus fan here has pointed out that the price in India for iPhone SE and of OnePlus 8 might be similar. Yeah, like 16:9 LCD in 2020. Yes, I heard you that OnePlus has an AMOLED display and iPhone SE has an LCD display, that too in the old 16:9 aspect ratio. I heard you. Alright, so apparently iPhone SE 2020 has an LCD display. It's a Retina HD LCD, which is Dolby certified, and it has got brilliant, beautiful stereo speakers. Yes, the design is a bit old-fashioned, but it brings back your good and trusted Touch ID home button. Also, well, as I said, it's Apple and it's $399 in the US. And you have to consider the brilliant Apple camera. How many non-Apple phones have a single camera in 2020? Yes, it's a single camera, but as you all know, it's probably the best video camera in a mobile phone that there is. And that coupled with the A13 Bionic chip, you get all the latest software tweaks that are available in the iPhone 11 series in the camera. Also, being A13, and as you know, that Apple normally supports its new iPhones for about 3 to 4 years. How long do you support? See, my friend from OnePlus had no answer because they just support their device for 2 years. But yeah, you get the idea. We support our device for normally up to 4 years of software updates, which is a huge achievement. Now, I know there are a lot of you guys who want the latest and the greatest design, but you have to understand, as a good old friend John Prosser from Front Page Tech once said, compromise over innovation. See, this phone represents the best of compromise over innovation. Yes, you are getting an old design, but you are getting latest glass sandwich build. You are getting a brilliant 12 megapixel camera. Yes, it is a single camera, but you are getting a brilliant 12 megapixel rear camera. You are getting the latest and the greatest chip. And yes, A13 Bionic is a lot better than any of the Android chips released to date. You'll get better gaming performance, no thermal throttling, and consider an A13 Bionic chip running on that low resolution on that smaller screen. Well, I don't think your phone is gonna lag. And yes, you're gonna get Apple's greatest software support, which will probably last for 4 years, maybe even more. Yo, man. Yes, I support Android, and yes, I support OnePlus. Look, friend, you have to understand. OnePlus 8 has 8 GBs of RAM. Okay? Yeah, and despite 8 GB RAM, your phone runs slower than my 3 GB RAM phone. I know Android phones run a tad slower, but you have to understand, this is the one of the fastest. Make that fastest Android smartphone. one of the fastest Android phones currently, and you have to give it to the design. This is a 2020 design, not a 2016 design or 2014 design actually, it's running in 2020. You have to understand, this is 2020 and OnePlus 8 gives you the best features of 2020. A beautiful 90 Hz refresh rate, Super AMOLED display, edge to edge, beautifully curved and everything. It has a glass standard design. Yes, it does not have waterproofing or wireless charging, but leave what he's saying. But you have to understand, this is probably the best design, and this will be one of the fastest Android phones that you can buy. I agree, our company used to make flagship killers at a time, but currently these are the real flagships and light flagships currently, and probably some of the best as well. Consider, we have a brilliant 4300 mAh battery, and we also have a brilliant 90 Hz 6.5 inches screen AMOLED, and the screen supports HDR10. It has stereo speakers. It has brilliant triple camera setup at the back. Yeah, like your third camera is of any use. Okay, yes, only two of them are useful. There's a regular camera and there is an ultra wide camera which is useful, but still there are two useful cameras. One more than iPhone has at the back. We have a better selfie camera. They have just 7 megapixels. And also the design. You have to give points for design. There are always brownie points for design. Yes, I admit we only give Android updates for 2 years, but still, it's a lot better than most of other manufacturers who sometimes even give updates up to 3 years. Basically, if you want to go into Android realm and you want a decently good flagship experience with premium build, you have to understand OnePlus is probably the best option that you have right now. So friends, in the end, I think we can conclude that OnePlus 8 has a more modern looking design. Obviously, it has the advantage of a higher refresh rate and an OLED screen. But on the other hand, Apple enjoys IP rating, lower price across majority of the world, leaving apart China and probably India, but we'll see in due course of time. And obviously, one of the biggest things in the favor, because it's called SE, is its compact size. So, in short, if you want to save some money and you can live in an older design, but you want waterproofing and a very good camera you can rely upon, probably iPhone SE is a better option. Also, it is more powerful than the OnePlus. However, if you want a great design, a good AMOLED screen, and a bit of more variety in cameras, you should probably opt for OnePlus. So friends, that's all for today. For more such videos, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and turn on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever a new video is uploaded. You're watching Tech Explainer. This is Gunjan Deep Singh Khera. Peace out.